Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Passwords and Accounts. Following that, click on Google under Passwords at the top and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Then enter your current login method. And last but not least, click on Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!